Hey guys, welcome to another video. And now I'm going to some place because I'm going to start a new YouTube channel for reviewing bikes and cars. For that channel I'm going to record one intro video. Now I'm going to the Chennai-Bangalore Express Highway. There view is very good. I'm gonna record a video, a couple of shots there for my introduction video, because I thought if I'm gonna record at that express highway I can record properly. I'll get a proper good shots for my new channel. I am going to do Royal Enfield bike review today. So now I'm gonna ready for that. I'm gonna wear this pant and a shirt and these shoes. Yep. Now all set, starting my bike. I have all my camera equipment, all the gear. Now I'm starting to the place where we are actually going to record a video. See you after that location. See you in that location. Sorry. This is the highway we came to record a video. Just now I finished my video recording with my bike review. It's almost 6:26. Now I have to go to the some other place. I'm gonna take a couple of other shots as well. We have recorded so many shots now. I'm gonna make it all these shots in my editing software now. Now I'm going to record my bike review video, and here is my bike. You can see here. Now I will record a review video. Hey guys, I just want to test how the video is going to record. And this one is an extra fitting, and here I have one custom made logo as well, and after this video I'm gonna show you. Okay, back. Okay, and this one is a dual channel ABS bike, and front to back both side it is having a ABS. Now I'm going to start my bike. You can hear the exhaust sound now. Now I'm going to start the bike. Is it recording? Now I'm going to start the bike. You can hear the exhaust sound now. So it's been 2 years since I'm having this bike. I bought it on 2022 June, and then first 3-4 months I haven't driven much on this bike, and then I came back to Bangalore, and here every day for traveling I'm using this bike only. I'll just start the bike. I'll just move from here to this much distance. See, and Just now I finished my bike review, and now I'm gonna pack everything and I'll show you my setup. And this is the tripod which I used, and I have used lot of other gears as well. And you can see here lot of camera equipment, and this is where I placed my bike, and I completed the review just now. I'm gonna pack everything now, and then I'll go back to my room. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera back. I spent almost 1.5 hours here just to review this bike, and reason is I'm going to edit this video properly, and after that I'm gonna approach couple of bike showrooms. I'll ask them to get a permission to shoot a couple of videos in their showrooms. Reason is, if I go to this showroom, if I spend one day, I'll review almost what are the bikes available in that showroom, so that I'm gonna full set for the next 1 month. If I just go and if I spend one day at any one bike showroom, probably I'm gonna record 5-6 bikes. So if I upload a video every week, one video also for that whole 1 month set. So if I spend one day for whole month, I will have a videos. So I don't need to worry about that. Yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching and see you. Bye bye.